Fish on! Fish on! It is 5 in the morning. There we go. 5 in the morning, and we are headed out to go to the Kenai to go fishing for some salmon. Got all our stuff, all of our drinks, all of our food. Abigail, you have anything to say?
No.
Are you serious? Jeremiah, what do you have to say?
I'm ready to hit some fish with a stick.
Well, no, it's not a stick.
All right, we're heading out. Let's go. All right, we made it to the Swiftwater campground in Sedultna at the Kenai River, which is right back here. And we are getting bug spray on because the mosquitoes are crazy out here. Here we go. It actually doesn't look higher than normal. All right, looks pretty busy down here.
Down here?
Yep. This is where we were that last time, but we didn't do too well, if you remember.
It's like blood.
So there's stairs right here, you guys. So take slow steps, okay? Oh, we're just coming behind you. We're just gonna sneak behind you if that's okay. Try to make it to that little opening next to that thing over there. Really deep? Oh. Okay.
Probably go up right there.
Okay, so just stay close to the edge, probably. You guys, he said it's really deep right here, so we're gonna get close to the edge, okay? How's the fishing going?
Oh, we just started.
Oh yeah? Oh, I saw you guys in the parking lot, yeah.
We'll see.
Cool, man. Good luck.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks. Fish.
It's like cold.
Really?
Oh wait.
Really? Abigail's gonna catch something soon. I just know it. Just know it. It's coming, Abigail. Come on. Come on, Abigail. Come on. Oh, oh. This will be the thumbnail. Time to move up. Because that was deep. That was real deep. The fish ain't gonna hear you.
Dear Lord, I pray that the fish come out and the sun comes out. Not tomorrow. I pray that the fish come and that we can at least catch at least 3 to 6. And hope Jeremiah's line keeps on not getting tangled and it all happens and we all get home safely and we have a wonderful day.
Amen. Got another one? Oh no. I thought he got another one. I might have to switch lines up, you know that? Okay. Got one? Hold on, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
My thing isn't working.
Hold on. Stop.
I can't even do it.
Easy.
Just reel it in.
Little tiny fish play with you.
Just reel it in, Jeremiah.
Don't jerk it.
Don't jerk it, Jeremiah. Just reel it in.
Help me!
You need help? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Jeremiah.
That's not.
First catch of the day. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
That's crazy.
I got it. I got both sides. Okay. Now we're gonna tie it up right here,
Sorry to that fish. Sorry.
and we're good to go. Now let's keep adding to the fish pile, you guys.
Yeah. I got blood on me.
Oh, fish on. Right here. Abigail, get it. It's behind you.
Did I get
Get it, Abigail! Abigail, turn around! Right, so that's a wrap for us, you guys. Fishing at the Kenai. Caught 2 salmon.
Fish.
Really big salmon. Jeremiah caught one and I caught the other.
And I caught.
And Abigail helped get them out with the...
I didn't.
With the thing. Well, you tried to help. And Jeremiah took over, so...
No, actually, I caught both of them. They just want to... I'm just so talented at it, and they're so bad at it.
So anyway...
Okay, so make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see our posts whenever time we post. And thank you for watching our content in Anchorage, or no, Sedona, I think, right? Alaska.